What's up, everybody? Back for a weekly forage forecast for the 8th to the 13th. And the first thing we do every week is check out foragefactory.com, see what's going on with the news events for the week. And this is the week after NFP, so the market should be, making adjustments between what happened that previous Friday. So Sunday to look at what's going on, nothing too crazy, a lot of low impact news for the JPY. Then Monday, a lot of low impact news. And then Tuesday, things slowly pick up with some heavy news for the pound during London session, and then some CAD news during New York session. And Wednesday, probably like the biggest news day so far, where you have heavy news during New York and some slight news, high impact news for the pound during London. And then Thursday, more heavy news during New York session, affecting USD pair and euro. And the Friday to end the week, some decent news events, mostly low impact. So, um, medium impact news during New York session. So ultimately, me just looking at in Thursday, Wednesday, and Tuesday, probably decent days for volatility in the markets. As Sunday and Monday is going to be going to flow for what happened from the previous week. So let's look at the pound. So the pound JPY, this pretty much tanked to end Friday. So currently looking for sell setups. As you can see, we ended off bearish. So I do see a continuation. So when it comes to continuation, two ways. We could just continue from Sunday, Monday, just keep going down and retrace up, then come back down. Or we could literally kind of retrace up to come here and come down. But lately, the way the market usually is a continuation from the previous day, which was Friday. So I do see us having a continuation downwards. So right now I'm focused on sell opportunities. And for those who trade the pound USD, same thing. Looking for sell opportunities. Retrace up, that's nice. I retrace my fibs. Best case, if it comes up here, which I don't see coming up here like that. If it does, look for sell opportunities. Ultimately, and we might just tank down before we come up a little bit and then tank back down. AUD, USD, similar thing. We're just focused on sell opportunities. That's a 1 hour. Even a 4 hour, I see sell opportunities. So we have a strong bearish candle. So we could do a little continuation. Maybe we chase up, but we're still ultimately down. Or we come up, we ain't never come down. So you just got to react to how the market moves. But ideally, a lot of bearish momentum. New Zealand, same thing. Focusing on sell setups, or we do a continuation, retrace up, and come down. Okay, for GBP looking for buy opportunities. I can see in a 4 hour, we are very bullish. So that being said, if we're bullish, I do expect us to do continuation to upwards, or if we come down, we're gonna shoot up. So if we come down, great, gonna look for buy opportunities to upside, or we're just gonna continue up and retrace down and shoot up. So focusing on buys right now for the pound AUD. Same thing for GB New Zealand, focusing on buy opportunities. So we do come down. That's great. We'll look for buy opportunity to ride to the upside. Or we could just ready to create a high and come back down and shoot back up. Let's look at US dirty for those who trade the Dow Jones. So the market took big hits. We're right now in a bearish momentum lately. So to continue focus on sell opportunities based on what the market's giving me. We have a strong push to the downside. We could literally do a continuation to the downside, or we could just continue to coming back up, but still down to the downside. Let's look at Bitcoin for those that trade Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, we are in a downtrend on a 1 hour chart. As you can see, we have this bearish engulfing candle. So therefore, if we do come up, I'm going to look for a setup to take back down. Or could literally come down here, range back up, but still looking for sell opportunities. And same with Ripple, with those who trade XRP. As you can see, we're ranging, we're retracing, and range up and down. So we do come up here. That's great. Looking for sell opportunity to downside. Or we could literally start to tank down or we tank up. And for those who trade silver, so silver shot back down. He had a strong bearish momentum. As you can see, there was some rejection of the wick and the news event, shot it down. So ultimately, I'm gonna pay attention if we respect this area as support. So we could literally start to come up gradually, or we continue to come back down. So I'm gonna see how Sunday Monday plays out right here if we respect that area. And then last but not least, let's look at gold. So gold shot down. So on the 4 hour, gold been raging lately. It been raging here, but we haven't created no new highs. So therefore, I'm just focusing on sells at this moment, based on what's going on. So we could literally come up and then or decide to shoot back down, or we could like come up aggressively and then decide to either respect here or tank down for a rejection, or we could shoot up to the upside. But ultimately, I'm looking for sell opportunities because we are right now have this strong push. So I feel like there's more momentum to go to the downside. But I'm gonna play by ear and see how we reject with the candles around this zone area. If we come up here, if we come back lower, then obviously we know it's going to go more to the downside. So that's how you pretty much know. So that's the calendar. So there's mostly news events. What, Tuesday, which is a big news, ISM manufacturer PMI. Wednesday and Thursday with the unemployment claims. So understanding that will let you know there's gonna be some movements to push the market a certain direction. So definitely trade what you see, not what you think, and practice good risk management, and you should be okay. Remember, trading is not about winning every trade. Yes, you can win every trade, but ultimately it's all about risk management. So if you continue to put risk management, you should be on a good track to succeed overall. So if you have any questions, let me know. Just like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what you think. We already know we out here. Peace.